Hi, welcome to my channel. I will be moving to my student accommodation tomorrow. Today is Friday. I am currently in St. Thomas. So I came to just pack my things and get them ready for tomorrow for when I should be going to Kingston. I'm not sure what time I'll be leaving. I'm not even sure of the layout of the house or anything. I went and I viewed the house, and yeah, but at the same time it's still a surprise to me as it will be to you guys. So we're in for a sweet right there. It is now 5:22. We're going to start packing now.
Scumbag, where are we right now? They don't know.
So I'm finished packing the other suitcase. I know I have two more suitcases to go pack, and then we need to pack the plate that we need to carry and one pot because another pot is also in Kingston for me as well from camping. And then we need to pull on the fun, which we not gonna do until the morning. And that's basically it. That's it. Yeah. Come I have school. So that's basically everything that I need to. I think I'm going to leave one of the suitcase here because I don't think I have anything for it. Like really and truly, I think I have no to put in there. Everything else on the one carry can hold in other check-in suitcase. So yeah. So let me give you guys a key to packing for university. If you're not a use girl, if you are, you need one good use. Like I had these from my first year. I bought them at a Chinaman place downtown. Then I feel like everyone needs a crooks. Like you need a crook somewhere, so you need a crooks. Then you need one like dress slippers, and you need one sneakers, and that's it. That's all I need. But for me, I have my Crocs, I have a slippers, I have this heel, I have this shoe that I had from so long. I don't know what's got it right here, and I have this. And they're all coming with me, and I also have sneakers in Kingston already. I think I might carry this and leave this. I'm not sure. Still deciding. This, however, this has to come because I have an old entire outfit plan, and this is a part of the outfit, so it has to come. And that's it for my shoe. I'm going to put these away in this thingy right here, and yeah. Yeah. Hi guys. So sitting here a while ago, it just came to me that this video that you guys will see that you're seeing now is my first video for October. Anyways, happy new month. I hope you guys are having a great month so far, and you guys will continue to have a very beautiful month. So I was trying out this thing where I upload 2 days in 4 weeks in September. I like it, but I don't like it, and I don't want to continue, so I will be going back to my 1 a week schedule, and that is every Wednesday. As you guys are seeing this on Wednesday. I was thinking to do it on a Sunday, but I was like, do I really want? Or I might not upload this on the Wednesday. I'll upload this on the Sunday. I'm not sure if I want to upload it on a Wednesday or on a Sunday. Being that on the Wednesdays is an active school week for me. Like Monday to Thursday, I am around stuff with school. So putting my videos on a Sunday will make more sense and better for me because I can start editing from like Friday night to Sunday morning, and like everything will just be better for me. The work will be better, the flow will be better, and I won't be stressed about keeping up to date with school. Probably if I have deadline or whatever the case may be. So I actually might upload on Sundays and not on Wednesdays for a peace of mind for me and for consistency. So to think about it now, when Sunday seems like a more favorable date for me, for my mental health and for everybody. Okay? So I might, not might, I'm going to upload that Sunday so you guys will be seeing this on October the 5th. Hi, happy new month. I want to take my first video for the month to be like a monthly reset vlog, but that's that's gonna be my other video. That's gonna be my. Oh my god, it's so hot. I'm sweating, but we have a full house. Is camera show? Oh shit, that is so weird. But yeah.
What's that? Same thing.
A two different size.
Oh, yes.
Right here we have the red stripe mango flavor. This is a new flavor and we're going to taste test it to see if it's actually it or not. First sip. It tastes like any normal red stripe. It have a very faint taste of mango.
Living a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies as pimps tonight.
Shots. Let me show you guys something. So when I came back here, the road like in Mona, I don't know what they're doing, but them dig up the road so bad. It look when it rains, it looks so horrible, and even when it dry, it looks horrible. I'm gonna show them my thought about it in a minute. But it's not nobody not at work on there. Them just dig it up and gone. Literally they just dig up the road and gone about them business. And you know the joke, there's this joke circulating where they must say, oh, Antyways was supposed to dig up back Portland Road. Probably like this happened, the MP for the area lose, so they can dig up back the road and gone. Because the right here was actually, it wasn't good, but it wasn't bad. It was actually drivable. No, it's not. It's not drivable. It's very horrible. But I'm so tired, guys, because I came to Kingston and I just went on the road immediately. But I'm going to change this. I'll put it just over here so we can get the light. Here. Okay. Chat but tired. My heart, my bed, everything. But if I clean first before we can do all of that. My room is pretty big, but it's pretty small. But I'm forever grateful. Because I never did that I'm going to live. I bought this curtain today because you just have the gray one them. I was like, oh no, so I'm up to buy the curtain here. I bought some other stuff. I'm going on art. I bought things that I had to buy. I bought this for my bathroom. It's green because you know like the other color, so we just take the green. Then we have paper towel. We have tissue. This is for my cleaning. A couple minutes from now. I bought this mug. Then we have some of these from my little bin, so we can dispose of things more. Well, they are big. That's the first bag. I have granola. We have cup soup, cup soup, cup soup, cup soup, cup soup, cup soup. We have oats. We have Lasco. Shop me as it's my hot ramen. This is not mine. We have dishwashing liquid. We have sweet corn. A weird thing about me is that I love sweet corn. I love sweet corn. You have these. You have this. You have water because I left my water bottle at home So maybe we'll probably go back to St. Thomas for it or just buy a new one. No, no. We have these. I love Coca-Cola as well. Sweet corn and Coca-Cola. I'm a cheap cold thing for life. Then this is for my foot. I have a date tomorrow with one of my friends. I have this for my room. This is for cleaning. May I show everything properly? This is for my room as well. This is for my face because Kim on in trouble with some mustache. So let's get rid of all of that. Then we have these pineapple cake, donuts, coconut rolls. We have Arizona. Another thing that I really like, I'm trying to do this as fast as possible because my heart is tired. Another thing that I truly like is these. They are for kids, but I do love them. And then we have, I don't know why the lady do this, but she give me like this. We have a whole bag of yogurt, and we have sausage. And Shante Papa said, Patrice, where are we cook? Nothing. Nothing. That is why I have nothing to do. So, yeah. Then we have this. This is an investment for myself. Because Kimani, I was a trouble mistake. I ain't a clothes. I mean, I always want one of these. I'm seeing today for $2,000. I never, I don't what, but I see for $2,000, I'm going to buy for $2,000. Everyone goes somewhere, they might tell me 10 grand, 15 grand, 30. I'm not buying that shit. And then we have a kettle. Because I left my kettle at St. Thomas, and I need one kettle, I'm going to go for St. Thomas now. So my sister, I'm going to take the one with the St. Thomas, and then this is for my face one up here. And that's everything. You want to know how much percent? Millions. Right now, I'm afraid to check my phone because I can't bother. I'm depressed. But I'm going to decorate my room, clean it and decorate it, and then I'm going to say everything will come together. Cheers! I'm finished with everything. I'm eating this because I feel so dizzy and lightheaded and nauseous. So I'm having this cup soup that I'm going to have a bath. But before I do all of that, I'm going to show under the room that I completely forgot to record this. And I want to go and finish. I'm like, oh shoot, the vlog.
That's blasphemy. I'm a baby daddy, you gon' pass on me. Can't keep him with a baby, shoulda asked me. How you move and it still ain't last me. Good, clean, fuck, you can't pass me. I'm in the front now, let's take the backseat. I'm a bad little bitch and I'm sweet like a Barbie. Lips, ass, my cardio.
Shots. I just had a bath and I also had a crying session. I don't know if you guys can see. I was crying because I feel very overwhelmed with not moving but like with life, and I'm here and like every time may I think about it and may I say every time like something I should like move forward, it's like I don't know, and just the thing that happened while I was overseas with the whole panic attack and shit. But I tell myself so I can't allow no attack to stress me out. So no matter how much it affect my life with where everybody can see it and like everybody hear things, it's just that it can't affect me because at the end of the day when my heart stop, whoever caused everything, them was still there. So I just don't bother everything. Like can like remember what happened with the overseas, remember what the lady said here. Because of the overseas I was start communicating with some emotional people on the phone and they're like just let things be what it is, don't try to overthink it or anything. So what I'm telling myself is as much as I want to like give a reaction, my heart will stop. Like my heart will literally stop because there's so much things that happen throughout the course of my life, little girl, and we can only take so much. So with all that said, it's like everything is happening, and it's just like it's phasing me because I'm just me a ball, but at the same time it's not because me say I just life. It's just life, and I can't want be in everybody good book, and I just like, I think it's fair to say that me just me give up. Me just me can't bother